Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of the video, today we're going to be doing a MacBook Pro unboxing. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Adebisi. I do tech and lifestyle videos. If you guys like my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoy this video, be sure to give it a like. But let's just go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So I got this box from FedEx like 4 days ago, and it's actually been killing me not to unbox this, but I didn't have time to do it, so now I finally have time to do it, and I am pumped. But let's just start off by opening this box. Ta-da! Wow, this thing is actually really heavy. If you guys watch my other video, I did another recent Apple unboxing. I unboxed the AirPods Pro, which you can check it out by clicking, I think this side or this side. I'm not really sure which one it's on. I can't remember. But I haven't unboxed Apple Box such a long time that I didn't realize that they started adding these little like pull tabs. So now I know I don't need to like ruin the box or anything. But let's do this up close. Okay. Wow. So it's like going all the way around, kind of. I kind of messed it up. So nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got these the space gray version. Let's take it out of this thing. Zip plastic. Wow. And voila, this is so pretty. Okay, we're gonna do the other stuff and then I will open this up. Okay, so we have designed by Apple in California. This is a little manual. Yeah, you know, good old stuff. MacBook Pro, blah blah blah, touch bar. A new wireless adapter. Or sorry, power adapter, not wireless adapter, excuse me. Wow, okay, so I did not realize that new MacBooks didn't come with the like extra long cord, so it's a good thing that I still have mine, because it only comes with, I guess I could unbox this part too, but it only comes with this power adapter and it doesn't come with the long strip, so good thing I still have mine. I don't understand why they wouldn't include that in there, because like, who the heck is gonna plug in their like little MacBook to the wall and then like this is just way too short. Anyways, so happy I still have that. Hopefully it fits. It should. We'll see. If not, I'll just buy another one from like Amazon, probably not from Apple. But let's open up the laptop. Wow, I'm so happy I went with space gray. It's so like sleek looking. I think I made sound effects twice in this video. Anyways, that's it. Okay, hi. So the unboxing was super short, as most unboxing videos are. So I thought I would just, you know, do a little setup part of it. But yeah, we're just gonna set it up together. I'm gonna like flip the camera around. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I'm going to choose English for my language. It looks honestly so nice. You know, it's just so clean, and I am in America. Oh, the scrolling is backwards. I don't know about you guys, but I do my scrolling the other direction, like the natural direction. I don't really know. But every single time someone like borrows my computer, they're always like, your scrolling is backwards, and I'm like, no, that's just the way I like it. So now we are accepting terms and conditions. Yes, I did not read them, but maybe I will. Oh, okay, so I need to put in my password, so BRB. Share? Oh, absolutely not. I'm not sharing my voice. Be careful, y'all. Y'all, like, I'm a big data privacy gal, and no, I do not. Okay, sorry. I'm a big data privacy gal, and you have to always be careful about what you share with companies. So yes, my one tip of the day. Anyways, back to here. Sharing stuff in iCloud. I don't know about you guys, but I hate having all my stuff shared in iCloud, mainly because I don't have enough gig space. I only bought the like 50 gig one, so I'm not doing that. And one time I did it and it was actually such a headache to get it to not share. Okay, file encryption, Touch ID. Okay, so right now I'm setting up Touch ID. Continue. Oh, this is dangerous, you guys. I'll go. Woo, we got there. Okay, cool. Wow. Okay, so then I will customize this and everything. If you guys haven't seen my MacBook customization tips and tricks video, it's there. But yeah, this is what it looks like, all finally fully set up. I'm excited to start using this thing. So for the rest of this video, I'm gonna just kind of chat about why I chose to get this laptop now. I wouldn't have gotten a new laptop if my laptop wasn't broken, because I looked it up and MacBooks are supposed to last like 7 years. And I mean, even that sounds like a really long time, like, but my MacBook, like, it was doing just fine. I was happy with it and everything, except, you know, until it wasn't doing great. But if you keep up with like Apple news and you're into like Apple tech and all the little hype around it, but you know that Apple Silicon is supposed to come out either Q4, so like late November, or early January. And when I heard about it and I was like, oh my god, I have to buy a new laptop, like, can I hold off until November or January and, you know, not have a laptop? So originally when I ordered this laptop, it took a month to come. So I ordered this literally in August, and right now obviously it is September, so it took an entire month for this thing to ship. And I was like actually dying when I didn't have my computer working super well. I've seen so many articles talking about Apple Silicon, I've seen so many videos talking about Apple Silicon, and they're like, you should wait to buy a laptop, you shouldn't buy the Intel version right now. And honestly, I agree. Like, I would love to have waited for the Apple Silicon model. Like, you know, there just would have been so many new upgrades to it, because this is the first time that Apple is making their own, I guess, processor, because Intel makes the processors. And I was just like, I can't hold off. What would you do if your laptop was like so broken, like to the point where you can't even watch Netflix on it, and you have to like use your phone to do everything? Would you wait allegedly 3 to 5 months for the Apple Silicon model, or would you just kind of live with your laptop now? I don't know. I'm kind of leaning more towards just live with my laptop now, because I've been reading about it and I've watched videos on it and it seems great, but I don't think it's gonna be like life-changing. So we'll see. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, and also leave me a comment down below of literally anything you want, maybe about Apple Silicon, about MacBooks, whatever you want to talk about. I don't care. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.